Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by saving work and preventing accidental uploads. Close Premiere Pro now and back up the project folder. Once done, stop Creative Cloud syncing so Premiere cannot re-authenticate or upload assets. Next, open your operating system's network or firewall control panel to create app-specific rules. This ensures only Premiere is targeted. Make sure you have admin privileges because modifying firewall or host files requires authorization. Do not skip this step. It's the foundation. Now you'll implement the main blocks. Add outbound rules in your firewall for Premiere executables and common Adobe authentication domains. Once the rules are active, optionally edit the system hosts file to route Adobe licensing and activation hostnames to 127.0.0.1. This prevents DNS resolution for those services. After applying these changes, launch Premiere to verify it opens without attempting sign-in. If prompted to reconnect, confirm the firewall rules are enabled and that Creative Cloud remains disabled. These steps stop active. Finish by locking or saving your firewall profile and then reboot the machine to ensure rules persist across sessions. This prevents accidental re-enablement. If Premiere still shows sign-in warnings, run the app as administrator and recheck your host's file entries and firewall rule scopes. Occasionally, rules target the wrong executable path. Make sure Creative Cloud is offline. If you need internet again, reverse the changes in the firewall and hosts file. Keep a short note of the exact steps you used for easy restoration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.